Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, which has continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $0.0639 mark, and at the time of this recording we're also trading above the 20-day MA here on the daily chart. And before I give you reasons as to why I believe Hbar will be giving us an explosive move very soon, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening and also give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that Hbar, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $0.58 mark in what I'm terming as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing no prices in this ABC corrective structure, which took us back to around the $0.0356 mark in what I'm terming as a larger Elliot wave count 2 to the lower side. And on the long-term scenarios, after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever I expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3, and I have a target area here on the daily chart at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $0.9768 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Hbar to do on the long-term scenarios. And getting to the short-term scenarios, you can see that after making our peak at around the $0.08 mark, which is right here on the daily chart, we have been seeing a bit of a corrective structure to the lower side, and we are yet to see another bounce to the upside. And there was some indications that we are going to see lower prices after seeing this long wick to the upper side, which was an indication that the sellers were trying to take over the market. And after seeing that long wick to the upper side, you can see we have been seeing much of a corrective structure to the lower side. And jumping to the 1 hour chart so that I can give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out and also my next target areas here on the Hbar chart, you can see that after making our low at around the $0.0356 mark, we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that had been obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see I have these as the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then I'm expecting one more bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, which should fully maximize a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And by first showing you that this wave 4, which is right here, has done the minimum that we expect a wave 4 to the lower side to do by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gives me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that perfectly lies between the $0.06 mark and the $0.0588 mark. And you can see we retest back into that target area, which is right here in the formation of that wave 4, meaning there are chances that we might have seen the low for that fourth wave to the lower side. And whatever I'm expecting right now is another impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And using the Fibonacci's, that is the trend based Fibonacci, I can give you a target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 5 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $0.0845 mark, and that is just a minimum target area. There are also chances of managing to break above that key area that is that target area and get back to the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $0.0877 mark. So there are chances, in case we start an impulsive wave over here and continue pushing higher, manage to break above the high that we made at around the $0.0808 mark, then there are chances of Hbar fully maximizing the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0877 mark. And once that happens, then we can term this whole structure to the upside as a larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1, we can then expect a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. And once we see the low for this second wave, then from there we can be able to ride another bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. So once we see the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2, we can expect a larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upside. upside, which is an impulsive wave. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. I'm expecting one more bounce to the upside to fully maximize the formation of this wave 5 and also fully maximize the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 1 before we can expect a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. Here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 49 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the upper side. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have been able to print a bearish cross, and that means lower prices are still coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.